Hello my little friends. Today, we're going to draw a cute and smiling elephant. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, we draw a circle or an oval for the elephant's head. Look how nice it's turning out. Now, let's add another circle for the body. Wow, it's starting to look like an elephant. Time to draw the eyes. 2 little circles for its eyes. Oh, looks like it's staring at us. Now, let's draw the trunk. Just draw a curvy line, like this. Add a big smile to our happy elephant. Let's draw a few little lines on the trunk for the wrinkles. Now it's time for the ears. Elephants have really big ears. Big and cute. Let's draw 2 little arms for our elephant. Now for the legs and toenails. 1 leg here, and another one there. And finally, the cute little tail. Now let's color our elephant. What color do you like? I want to make a gray, smiling elephant. What about you? Our cute little elephant is ready. Doesn't it look amazing? Now, do you know how to spell elephant?